How should we prioritize accessibility efforts when facing tight legal deadlines and limited resources? While the ultimate goal is full conformance by the deadline, many organizations are still ramping up their processes for fixing and procuring accessible technology. Success in the face of strict regulations comes down to establishing a clear baseline and prioritizing the most critical user impacts. The first step is to perform an audit to understand where you currently stand. Even if the results are poor, having a VPAT is significantly better than having no documentation at all. Many regulations prioritize the existence of a transparency document as a step toward compliance. Once you have your baseline, focus on the most critical user flows within your application or product first. Partnering with experts can help you identify which elements pose the highest risk and have the greatest impact. While you work through your roadmap, ensure you are positioned to be responsive to actual user feedback. Implementing an accessibility statement and designating an accessibility advocate provides a clear point of contact for barrier reports. Meeting legal obligations is essential, but it is equally important to view this as a shift toward creating a better experience for everyone. Accessible web. Web accessibility made simple. Explore our platform, services, and education offerings.